Any working cell phone, regardless if it is in service or not, will call 911. Exhale when your left foot hits the ground, to avoid cramps while running. Life tip: buy a fire extinguisher before you need a fire extinguisher. If you're coughing uncontrollably, raise your hands above your head and it will stop. If you are outside in the woods and cut yourself, spiderwebs can not only seal the wound but also make it heal faster. The Calvin Klein Obsession scent should never be worn when going into the woods. It attracts cheetahs, tigers, and jaguars. Don't put your feet up on car's dashboard. Airbags go off like small bombs, and it can easily break both of your legs. If you are in for a long drive at night, listen to comedians while driving. It's impossible to fall asleep while laughing. Put a dab of honey over a zit and cover with a band-aid overnight. When you wake up, the zit will be gone with no scar. Falling air pressure causes pain in birds' ears. So if birds are flying low to the ground, it almost always means a thunderstorm is coming. If you ever suspect someone is following your car, take 4 right turns. It forms a circle, and if they're still behind, they're following. Never feed breads to ducks. They can't digest it properly and could kill them. If you ever get trapped underwater in your car, use your car seat headrest to break the window. If you ever get kidnapped, and they tie your hands together and put tape over your mouth, lick the tape until it falls off. If you get buried under snow by an avalanche, spit and saliva will follow gravity. Dig the opposite way. Get something in your eye? Fill a bowl of water big enough for your face, and open your eyes in it. It'll come right out. If you're about to get hit by a car, and can't jump sideways, jump up. It'll give you a better chance of rolling over the car. If you suspect someone's checking you out, yawn. If they yawn back, they were. Yawning is visually contagious. Bees can't see you if you aren't moving. If you get pulled over at night, turn on your interior light. It helps ease the officer by showing you have nothing. Ever wonder a way to avoid crying when using onions? Chew gum. Sitting in the back of a plane makes you 40% more likely to survive a crash. Out of lives on Candy Crush? Turn your phone time forward 2.5 hours, open up the app, and you'll have full lives. Don't forget to turn the time back after playing. To escape from crocodile's jaws, push your thumb in its eyeballs. It will let you go instantly. When you call 911, the first thing you should give them your location. They immediately send police when they have an address. As soon as you have brain freeze, push your tongue against the roof of your mouth. It will instantly relieve the pain. Every November 7th is Bring Your Own Cup Day at 7-Eleven. If you need to rush somewhere fast, carry a fire extinguisher. No one will ever stop a person running with a fire extinguisher. When people are angry at you, if you stay calm, it'll get them even angrier, and be ashamed about it after. Headache. Believe it or not, soaking your feet in hot water will help your head feel better. Drinking watermelon juice before workout helps reduce muscle soreness.